Here's how to cancel membership on Planet Fitness app. First is go to any browser that you have and search for Planet Fitness and go to their official website. You can only cancel your plan accurately on their website. And then afterwards, you will be redirected on this page. Scroll down and click on the membership and then click on the promotion or membership account that you have and go ahead and click on the cancel. But for some reasons, you can't actually do this already since they're having complication with their website. So the best option that you can do is go to the settings of your phone and search for the subscriptions where you can see there all the application that you have a subscription with. Afterwards, once you have already select subscription, go ahead and find the Planet Fitness and cancel the subscriptions. Now you don't have to worry about paying the membership if you have successfully canceled it.